Hi, I'm Vijay, and I'm excited to show you how becoming a Bonenkar franchisee can transform your business. As a Bonenkar franchisee, you'll gain exclusive regional rights, giving you control of a niche market with minimal competition. Our mission is simple: to provide high-quality implants at unbeatable prices, a value no competitor can match. We provide end-to-end support, covering marketing, logistics, and product demos, so you can run your business with zero marketing expenses. Plus, we empower your surgeons with free implant demos, webinars, and training programs to build trust and drive sales effortlessly. With Bonenkar, you're never starting from scratch. You'll step into our built-in customer base and a proven system designed for low risk and high returns, with no minimum inventory requirements. Your investment covers regulatory approvals, ensuring a strong foundation for growth. To get started, all it takes is a token amount of $2,000 USD to kickstart your journey. And to earn your trust, we'll send you a free demo kit, no cost, no obligation. Join the Bonenkar family today and experience the benefits of being part of a global leader. Let's take the leap together.